Give it up for Julian San Jose and Eric Santos. Eric, maraming salamat.
Thank you. What an honor to be sharing this stage with you.
You know how...
I'm
sorry, I'm so emotional talaga about this whole thing. I said this before sa isang mas maliit na show. Yung ABS-CBN, tinanggal sa ere. They took us off the air. And now we appear everywhere. So it's great. Again, Julian San Jose.
GB, everybody!
Eric Santos.
Gary Valenciano, everyone.
Eric Santos.
Julian, we love you, Kuya.
Love you too. I appreciate this so very much. Alam nyo, dahil 40 years na ako sa industriya, inisip ko, ano kaya kung gumawa ako ng mga iba't ibang dati kong ginagawa? Alam nyo kasi dati, actor din ako eh. Or, gumawa na rin ako ng mga 11 films. Alam ko kukunti pa lang yan, no? Pero, I love acting as well. Plus, iba kasi din. Can you give them a big hand, please? I asked for volunteers, and here they are. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'd like to see people up on their feet, whether it's to my music or whether it's to somebody else's music. But I'd like to be part of that. So I think in the next 5 or 6 years, I'll still be in the music industry, but not as upfront, maybe behind the scene, helping others. I can receive an award for the Fans Awards and the Awit Awards or the whatever, but the greatest reward is when I actually hear people say,
Julian, thank you. Raver, sobrang thank you talaga. Sa stage designer, thank you. You can sit. Gusto nyo pa? I know, by the time this night is over, you're gonna hear me doing a lot of this. Because if I didn't do this, I wouldn't be human. At ito ang gagawin natin ngayon. Basta't gawin na lang natin. Okay lang? Okay, I'm gonna have to prepare for this. Check ko lang ang sugar ko. Uy, it's perfect. O sige. Pamilya, kapuso, madlang people, madlang kapuso. It's something that really moves people closer to people. Okay? Iniisip ko naman, total, wala naman ako sa harapan ng camera ngayon, but I want to try and do something that I've never done before. Lalo akong bumababa, di ba? Palagi akong bumababa dito to be with everybody. And I can do that again. But I want to give a chance for those people up there. Sandali! Class! Susubukan ko lang ha. Teka. This is the first time I'm ever going to do this. If you have to promise me that I can come back on this stage. In one piece. Okay, tignan natin. Alam mo, nagdadasal na ako. Kasi baka mamaya hindi na ako makabalik dito sa stage. Sayang. Kasi pag hindi ako bumalik dito, hindi na tayo hahataw. Inisip ko hanggang dito na lang sana eh. Kaso nakita ko may daan pa dito eh. To show how much I love you guys. Yung mga tao na nandito, please help me so that I can reach all the way to the people on the other side. You might remember these songs. O tamo, against the light pa tayo. Pero okay lang. Thank you. I don't know if you're cheering because you are young or you were young once and that's what you remember. All right, all right.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Ebe Dancel! I'll see you tomorrow. O yan. Total, mga kabataan ang pinag-uusapan natin. O sige. Ito para sa lahat ng mga kabataan. O napapagaw. Kabataan pa din sila. For the very first time, we're actually going to do this next song together. During the pandemic, grabe ang pagkagamit nitong kanta na to. And I'm thankful that it wasn't just used as a meme, but it was used as a way to encourage others during that time. It's a masterpiece of a song written by none other than Ebe Dancel himself. Tonight, we do it together for you.
Thank you.
Hirap talaga. Sumabay sa mga kabataan na yun. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit ginagawa ko pa rin to.